Hey, how you doing? Odin here. I'm just gonna do a little video. I was been thinking about this, and I haven't practiced it or anything. This is literally live happening right now, and I was like, oh yeah, I got to go and just show these guys what they're capable of doing. So I went and I checked out Dan Kennedy on the internet here, and this is an hour and 28 minutes. And what I could do is, of course, I could go and I could do the playback speed two times or whatever it is, whatever I can handle. But I've discovered something a little bit more cool. So what I do is I go here to the transcript, and I'm just going to take the entire transcript like this. Oop, there we go, just like that. I'm going to copy all of it, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it into a Word doc, just like this. Boom, done. Then I'm going to save it, of course. So I'm just going to save it here under there. Sure, that sounds good. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just upload it over here. That. Perfect. And I'm going to say, hey, I want you to review this transcript from Dan Kennedy's presentation and give me a synopsis of everything that he went through. Let's start there. Literally, just doing this right now for you guys. You're gonna love it. This is for anyone, anything that you're thinking about. This is like a huge hack. Here's the synopsis. Pretty darn good. So it's giving me everything that I need. And if I really wanted to, what I could do is I could just listen to the AI to do it. Pretty nice. So it's giving me full synopsis of everything in a way that I can understand it and review it quite easily. Looks like it's almost done. I'm reviewing it as we go as well. I have no idea what this presentation is about. I just chose anyone, any presentation. So now you can see that we're no longer in the age of information. There's too much of it. We're now in the age of the review, knowing what to review, when to review, what to review, and then, of course, how to implement it. So there we go. So now I'm going to say, all right, I want you to give me a master to-do list based on this. And then I'm going to apply this to my business in just a moment. And this what took me 4 minutes instead of an hour and a half. It's because I know what to ask, though. Identify where money currently flows in your market and why. List what your market perceives as value, even if you disagree with it. Stop basing your offers on fairness, effort. So great. This is awesome. This is exactly what I'm looking for. A synopsis. Pre-built sales sequence, mandatory video, mandatory case studies, mandatory questionnaire, mandatory intake process. That's awesome. It's actually really, really helpful. Great. Then I'm going to ask for a master prompt list for any kind of business so that we can just literally put this up and it's going to work. Great. Okay, now what I want you to do is build me a master prompt list. This prompt list is going to be used by any company. What they want to do is they want to essentially upload this information, and you're going to get to work with each steps of these prompts, prompt one, two, and however many prompts that you have. You literally can do this with any video that has transcripts on. There are some videos that don't have transcripts that are on. They actually shut that part off, but that's okay. But there you go. I'm uploading information on my business, analyze my business model, my current offers, my audience, my position, create a short summary of my current situation, and then identify the top weaknesses, bottlenecks, and opportunities based on Dan Kennedy's core principles, money flow, autonomy. I mean, like this all of a sudden becomes amazing. Amazing. If you know who to look for and what to do, there's no shortage of there's no shortage of any kind of business idea. And I'm not afraid at all because I know that what I bring to the table is experience, and you're going to be able to go and do all of this information. And then what you want is you want someone to review it because the AI is great, but the HI, human intelligence, is better. All right, guys, that's been really fun talking to you for a couple moments, and that's how you hack any presentation and create a to-do list and a master prompt list from it. Good luck. Oh, and remember to like and subscribe. It's really important. Okay, bye.